Microbiology. It is a life science study which focuses on microbes, and these are all living things. Microorganisms are also known as microbes. These are life forms too small to be seen by the unaided human eye. These microorganisms are diverse in form and function, and they inhabit every environment on Earth that supports life. There are three forms of bacteria. First, undifferentiated single-celled organisms. Second, form complex structures. Third, multicellular. Microorganisms live in complex microbial communities, and its activities are regulated by interactions with each other, their environments, and with other organisms. There are presence of microbes or microorganisms in our environment. It could be seen in soil, in infectious diseases, in human, animals, plants, fuel, and water. There are tools in microbiology that has been used. These are microbial culture and media. Microbial culture is a cell collection that has been grown in or on a nutrient medium. Medium or media is either liquid or solid nutrient mixture that contains all of the nutrients required for a microorganism to grow. Growth in microbiology refer to the increase in cell number as a result of cell division. And colony, these are visible circle and visible colonies that can be seen in your petri dish. If you like this video, kindly share. Thank you for listening.